Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the passenger door for easy access. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side, under the glove box. Using a pry bar, remove the 3 plastic rivets holding the cover under the glove box by prying out the center part. Remove the cover under the glove box.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Remove the glove box air conditioning hose. Remove the cabin filter flange cover. Pull out the cabin filter, which is in 2 parts. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There is now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Take the new filter. Pay careful attention to the direction of the filter to properly position the airflow arrows. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the first one in place by pushing down once it has been entered. Ensure that the tab sticks out a little. Then put the second one in. Put the cover back on. Put the glove box air conditioning hose back in place. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on. Put the plastic rivets back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.